Do you know how it feels when you plan something outdoors and the weather is unpredictable? The tension of whether everything will work out. This is exactly how I felt the next day by the lake. Welcome back. For those who don't know me, I'm Sonja. I have a full-time job, a mother of 3 beautiful and very smart daughters. And in my free time, I love to manage renovation and gardening projects. One of those is renovation of old cabin by the lake.
But that cabin is no longer old. It already looks great. However, it still doesn't have a proper roof.
It's funny how quickly a holiday can turn into a full-on construction site adventure. Just 2 days left before I have to go back to work, and I'm just hoping that we will be able to tick off the roof box from the list before I have to pack up. The rain has been relentless, and honestly, I'm starting to think I should build an ark next instead of a cabin. Meanwhile, Alex was on his mission. Drills in hand, he took on everything from water connection to mouse proofing. We moved the water connections from the front facade because, let's face it, water and the wooden cabin do not really mix. And then there is the mouse proofing. I feel that every project here by the lake starts with "let's keep the mice out," honestly. The sanding and varnishing felt like a never-ending task. But hey, if we are doing it right. And even though the varnish looks white, when it's wet, it dries almost invisible. I admit I had my doubts, but Alex swears by it. And then, hallelujah, the roofers finally showed up. I could not believe my luck because even the rain stopped long enough for them to get started. Someone up there must like me. We had a bit of debate about how the roof should look, especially the ends of the roof, if we should kind of cut them or not. And I decided to keep it the way it is. It's got a bit of character, don't you think? Watching them to styles up and catch them like it's nothing. I'll stick to my coffee, thanks. I'd probably end up throwing tiles right into the lake. By the end of the day, I felt like I'd climbed the mountain. The roof was finally coming together. Everything else started to fall into place. Just great. And grandfather came by as usual for his sausage snack. Something never changed. He has been a regular on this project. Grandfather with sausage roll in his hand. It's become a tradition on this project, really.
Ciao! Oh, bist du so glücklich, ja? Okay, ciao, ciao. Vorsichtig, vorsichtig. Ciao!
Tomorrow is the last day of my holiday and we will finish the roof. It's been a roller coaster, but as we say back home, all is well that ends well. I see you next time.